just received this chair for my shower for review, and I'm coming on here to show you guys what it's actually like. So first of all, it is a super storage friendly kind of chair. You basically can just fold it up very, very easily and put it to the side or wherever you want to store it, and then get it out whenever you need it. Other cool thing about this is that these are gonna be like anti-slip. It's got the rubber on the bottom, so it's going to make it less likely that you are going to slip if you're on this chair. Another cool thing is that it is padded, so it's actually pretty comfortable. I sat on it earlier and it felt very, very comfortable actually. Like kind of like sitting on a comfier chair with pillows, because it's also padded on the back, which is really nice. And then another cool thing about this is that it does grow in height if you want it to. As you can see, it's got 6 levels. It can grow up to 4.5 inches. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna press this down, go up however much you want, say this height, let's go up to the highest. You do have to do it in all 4 of the legs, but usually once you adjust it, I mean, it's gonna be adjusted to your height, so it's just going to stay like that pretty much forever unless you shrink or grow. But yeah, that's a bit higher. That's a bit, I think, more comfortable for me. So these are chairs that are mainly for like walk-in showers. Kind of like this one. Not sure if you can see that, but it fits perfectly in there. Maybe move those towels a little bit. But if you have like a tub, maybe this is not the right fit because it is a bit bigger for a tub and it's just not going to be as stable. So these are primarily for walk-in showers only. And yeah, if you're in the market for one of these, I definitely recommend you check this out on Amazon.